In this lecture, we are going to take a look at a concrete example for nested if statements. So for example, if we have three numbers, num1 is equals to 2, integer num2 is equals to 10, and integer num3 is equals to 20, and we are after the greatest number, then we are able to use nested if statements in order to find the largest number. So first of all, we can check that if the number 1 is greater or equal than number 2, then we can use another if statement. So if the number 1 is greater or equal than number 3, in this case we know for certain that the greatest number is equal to the number 1, and else we know for certain that the greatest number is equals to the number 3. Okay, in the else statement, we have to check whether if number 2 is greater than equal to number 3. In this case, we know that the greatest number is the number 2, and else we know for certain that the greatest number is equals to number 3. Finally, we can print out that the largest number is, and we can print out the greatest number. So if we run the application, of course, it's going to show us the largest number, which is 20. Of course, we can do something like this, and in this case, the number 2 is going to be the largest number. If we use something like this, then the first number is going to be the largest number. So with the help of these else if statements, we are able to find the largest item. And as you can see, there's an if statement within an if statement, and this is what we have been talking about, that we are able to use logical operators. Because what does it mean exactly? It means that if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, so we can use something like this: number 1 greater or equal than number 3. So we are able to get rid of nested if statements with the help of logical operators, but anyways, both of them are working fine. This is how we use nested if else statements. Thanks for watching.